Welcome to the class on object. Class is basically a concept and blueprint for the object. And object is a runtime entity. So let's write the program class object.js. We are going to demonstrate class on object in this session. Class is a keyword here and class name is DevOps. Okay. Then constructor will be used to initialize the instance variable in every object-oriented programming language. So in DevOps, you are going to plan, and after planning, you are going to code. After coding, you are going to build. After building, you will be testing. After testing, it will be released and then deploy and then operate, and then monitor. Okay. Now inside constructor, we are going to initialize the instance variable by using this keyword. Okay. So this dot planning equal to plan. Okay. This dot planning equal to plan. Now inside the class only, make a method display. In JavaScript, without using function keyword, you can create the method like that. Console.log, and here this dot planning. Okay. Outside the class, we are going to create an object for the class. So let and object name DevOps1 equal to new keyword, and then name of the class DevOps, and in parentheses pass the parameter for plan. Skill is required to plan. Okay. And then for code, take Visual Studio Code. To build, you can use Maven, and for test, you can use Selenium, and for release, you can use Jenkins. To deploy, one can use Kubernetes, KTS, and for operation, say Ansible, and for monitoring purpose, one can use Splunk. Now it's time to call function by using object DevOps 1 and dot parameter operator DevOps 1 dot name of the method or function display. Okay. Now it's time to run this program. So what is the name? Node, and name is class object dot js. Then skill is coming. Now what to do? If you want to initialize more instance variable, you can write this dot coding equal to code. Okay. And here what to do? in the method you write, and here you write coding, and then save this. Now run this program. So skill and VS Code is coming. Object is the same, DevOps display. Similarly, here you can initialize one more instance variable, this dot building equal to build. Okay, and here you can, inside method, you can write logic to display, that is building. Save this, and once again run this. You will find Maven is coming after VS Code. Similarly, you can initialize one more instance variable, testing equal to test, and here you can display it console.log this dot testing. Okay, save this and run this program. You will be getting Selenium. Now it's time to initialize variable for release. So this dot releasing. Okay, and here you write console.log this dot releasing. Save this and run here. So you'll be getting next is coming. Okay, now clear screen. Try to add another instance variable by using this keyword, this dot, and here put the logic for display, console.log this dot deploying. So and then run this program. You will be getting k8s, deploying k8s. One more instance variable we can initialize, this dot operating equal to operate, and put here logic to display console.log this dot operating, which is instance variable, and that can be displayed by using this keyword inside the class, this dot instance variable. So operating, so Ansible should be printed. Go here, execute, Ansible is coming now, and this dot and write the logic to display okay, and then execute this. You will be getting a Splunk. So clear screen. Here DevOps is the name of the class, line number first, and line number third is the name of the constructor. Constructor is a special type of method which is used to initialize the instance variable